As part of this study, we surveyed more than 1,200 IT professionals. We really wanted to understand what are the challenges and what are the opportunities that IT leaders are facing in 2024. And we really saw three challenges come to the surface in terms of being especially top of mind for IT leaders. The first, fragmented tech stacks. We saw that IT leaders are recognizing that too many technologies within their organizations are fragmented, they're disconnected, sometimes they're even redundant. About two-thirds of IT leaders say that reducing these redundant technologies is going to be critical in order to navigate future challenges. Many also regret investing too quickly in different technologies. Second, we see security is top of mind. Most IT leaders say that they're experiencing stress on a weekly basis due to securing data and securing systems. And then third, we see increased pressure to adopt new technologies, especially AI technologies. And most IT leaders also say they're experiencing weekly stress in terms of keeping up with these new technologies. And so we see this challenging tension between moving forward and adapting to new technological changes, but not doing so too quickly that we're investing in the wrong technologies or we're not focusing on security. In many ways, this tension is due to the rising influence of the IT leader. We see the role of the IT leader evolving to become more strategic and more influential, and their organizations relying on IT leaders to guide these transformations. More than three-quarters of IT leaders say that they're the ones responsible for leading AI transformations within their organizations. In our research and conversations with customers, we see several critical new skills that are required for IT leaders to navigate these growing changes and challenges of work. First, as you both highlighted, IT leaders are becoming strategic business advisors, not just advising anymore on even IT, but also advising on go-to-market strategies, product development, operations. Second, as we've also touched on already, there's this need to develop a more connected, integrated, efficient tech stack, and IT leaders are very much at the forefront of navigating how to go about doing this. Third, security and compliance as non-negotiables. Fourth, IT leaders are leading AI organizations that are powered by what we call a human in the loop model. So, again, using AI when possible to automate different tasks and when it's responsible and ethical to do so, but also making sure that humans are accountable for decisions and overseeing those workflows. And then finally, adopting a systems thinking approach. And this very much follows from the first skill here, seeing technology as part of the bigger organizational system. We found that there are three big predictors of this AI readiness. First, a dedicated budget for AI investment, allocating resources, financial resources to the technology. Second, this is an interesting one. The potential to enhance cross-functional collaboration. The organizations who feel they're ready to implement AI also say that the technology has this promise and potential to enhance collaboration between different functional groups. And about 60% of IT leaders predict that AI is going to lead to greater collaboration between technical and non-technical teams. And this is a really exciting shift because often we see technology being adopted in silos, and the tech stack that works for IT is a different tech stack than what works for marketing or sales, and the opportunity to streamline and have technology that can span functions and enable cross-functional work is really exciting. And then the third is an eagerness among the executive leadership team around AI, not just IT excitement, but also excitement from your CMO and your head of sales and your COO, and having that excitement um, ubiquitous and pervasive across your executive leadership team is really important in garnering support and being able to share different insights and different strategies in a way that's effective.